Hello and welcome back to another video guide on how to set up your router for your Simply Broadband connection. Today we're going to be going over the Spark Smart Modem 2, and in this video specifically we will be going over how to change your internet connection type to automatic IP or DHCP, and we're also going to go over how to set VLAN settings so that you can gain access to the internet, and then lastly we'll go over how to change your Wi-Fi network settings. So the first things first, we're going to head over to the admin panel. And so what we're going to do is on our browser, we're going to head up to this address bar and we're just going to type in 192.168.1.254. Then we're going to hit enter and that'll take you to this page. Now if this is your first time signing in to the admin panel, it should be on factory defaults, and so the factory default username and password for this is admin and admin. It's going to prompt you to create a new admin password, and so what we're going to do is just set that. Make sure you set it to something that you'll remember, because this is going to be how you're going to gain access to the admin panel in the future. So we're just going to set that and repeat it, and here we are. Now we're in the admin panel now. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to head over to network and we're going to click on WAN. And now under network and WAN, you'll see a bunch of options here. So for WAN mode, we want to set this one to Ethernet WAN. Now we can skip this one. We don't need to enable that if we don't want to. And then we come down to our summary. Now, as you can see, it's got quite a few kind of items in here that we can change, and so what we're going to do is we're going to hit edit. Now for WAN connection type, we want to set this to automatic IP. We want enable WAN, yes, with a default route of 1. 802.1q, definitely make sure it's enabled, with a VLAN ID of 10 and a priority bit of 0. Connect to the DNS server automatically, yes, and you can leave this bit alone as it should automatically fill that in for you. Then we're going to hit save settings and we're going to wait for this to apply it fully before we continue. Awesome, and so once it's done with that, it'll take you back to here and we can actually go and check on the settings that we've just changed. So as you can see, enabled, yes, 10, and automatic IP. That's what we want. Now, in order to change your Wi-Fi network settings, what we're going to do here is we're going to head over to WLAN, and then we're going to click on WLAN 2.4 and WLAN 2.5. And so as you can see here, we can change some of the settings in this if we want. And same with the 2.4. We don't recommend it because these should all be automatically set to the kind of the best settings that they can be. And if we come back to the main WLAN here, as you can see, we have a bunch of information here and we can actually change this. So we can change the Wi-Fi name to new Wi-Fi, for example. Same with the password, we can go show, so see what the password would be and say, oh, new password. And that would be how you set a new Wi-Fi name and your new Wi-Fi password. Of course, as you can see here, that's coming up as invalid because this password here, it's not complex enough. This isn't secure, so it will make you set a password that is secure before you can save it. Definitely make sure it is something a bit more serious and a bit more, hard to guess, because we don't want random people guessing your password and signing into your Wi-Fi. And that's how you change your internet connection type, your VLAN settings, and how you alter your Wi-Fi network on the Spark Smart Modem 2. Thanks for watching.
So simple. Even I can do it.